Hi, today let's make tasty kadhi recipe. In a blender, I've added in curd, I'm adding in salt. Next, I'll be adding in some gram flour or besan, green chilies, ginger, and then turmeric powder. Blend it and transfer it to a pot. And then what you need to do is add in a little bit of water as well, because the kadhi will turn to thicken later because of the gram flour which we have added. Keep on stirring, otherwise it will curdle. Add in salt to taste and then keep on mixing. While the kadhi is boiling, let's make a tasty tadka of oil. Now I've added in cumin seeds, hing. Next I'll add in dry red chilies. When the chilies fluff up, I'll add in curry leaves. And then what you need to do is switch off the gas and then add in dry red chili powder, because it gives a great flavor to our kadhi recipe. So see, I've added in dry red chili powder and then transfer it to our kadhi and let the kadhi come to a boil. Mix all the ingredients, really give all the ingredients a really very good mix, and the kadhi needs to come to a beautiful boil. There are different types of kadhis which people make. This is my recipe. People make kadhi pakora as well. I've made that recipe previously. You can check in my videos. Finally, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and you can serve this kadhi with hot rice or roti. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.